Have you ever wondered about the different types of question tags we use in everyday conversations? Let's dive into this fascinating linguistic phenomenon together. First up, we have confirmatory question tags. These little additions seek confirmation or agreement. Picture this: you're coming to the party, aren't you? It's like a subtle way of double-checking without being too direct. Next, we have contradictory question tags. These gems express surprise or contradiction. Imagine someone saying, "You're not going to the party, are you?" It's like a mini plot twist in a sentence, adding that element of surprise to the conversation. And then, we have rhetorical question tags. These are used for emphasis or effect, without expecting an actual response. For example, "I'm tired, aren't I?" It's like a rhetorical mic drop moment, emphasizing a point without needing an answer. Question tags are like the seasoning of language, adding flavor and nuance to our conversations. So next time you hear one, pay attention to the subtle dance of confirmation, contradiction, and emphasis happening right before your ears. Now, isn't that interesting?